Nigo pushes Kenzo into a new eccentric era, part collage, part cartoon, part couture. Kenzo Spring Summer 2026 opens with a premise that sounds deceptively simple: joy. Nigo and design director Joshua Bullen asked their team what sparks joy within the Kenzo universe: flowers, color, playfulness, and then attempted to build a collection around that emotional core. But joy is a slippery thing. What emerged at Maxim's wasn't a straightforward celebration, but a chaotic, hyper-layered collage of references that felt more like a mood board exploding in real time. It was Kenzo through the lens of Nigo's own 90s memories, Tokyo nightlife, subcultural mashups, and a willingness to be unserious in a luxury landscape that often takes itself far too seriously. The show setting the iconic Art Nouveau restaurant Maxim's added a surreal layer to the proceedings. Models trudged through the ornate dining room wearing everything from fuchsia satin dinner jackets to plush tiger print hoodies with ears and tails. 1 minute, crisp tailoring with kimono collars. The next, bubble hem painter smocks paired with bloomers or lace shorts. The collection swung wildly between elegance and absurdity, couture-adjacent craft and cartoonish kitsch. It was intentionally disorienting, like flipping through channels on late-night TV and landing on 5 different genres at once. There were moments of real beauty: the tuxedo-inspired pieces with their sculptural kimono collars, the quilted dressing gown coats with Serge Gainsbourg swagger, the military frogged outerwear that nodded to Kenzo's archival prints. These grounded the collection and hinted at a more refined direction Nigo could pursue if he ever chose to quiet the noise. But Spring-Summer 2026 wasn't about quiet. It was about maximal energy: platform bowling shoes with snow globe soles, wicker bags shaped like cartoon animals, tiger-striped bunnies continuing a storyline from past seasons, and belt buckles that spelled out woof or meow in paved texture. It was chaotic, yes, but also deeply intentional. What makes Kenzo under Nigo compelling, even when it confounds, is that it's one of the few luxury brands willing to embrace humor, youth, and cultural cross-pollination without apology. The collection felt like an updated Peter Blake collage. Historic Kenzo prints overlaid with geometric shapes, punk references smashed against new romantic silhouettes, Japanese tailoring meeting Parisian nightlife. It's not luxury in the traditional sense, and that's the point. Kenzo is building a tribe, not a pedestal, a community of young, diverse creatives who see fashion as a playground rather than a museum. Spring-Summer 2026 may not have delivered pure joy, but it delivered something rarer. A brand unafraid to experiment, to confuse, to entertain, and to evolve in real time.
is